Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Mrs. Thompson. I'm Karen Thompson, a former food service director, dietitian, retired family consumer science teacher, and cook. Join us as we travel the globe sampling the world's cuisine. Today, I'm doing the second half of a meal that I'm taking to my friend. I've got pierogi meatballs simmering on the stove. My friend loves cabbage, so I thought I would do a cabbage dish for you. The first thing that I want to do is brown off some bacon. So I have half a package of, I think it's a 12-ounce package of bacon that I've sliced up, and I'm just going to simply brown this all off, which is a little like watching the grass grow. So we're just going to brown that, stirring constantly. My bacon is done. It's nice and crisp. I removed it so that it will stay crispy. To it, I added half of an onion. I'm not trying to brown it, just, take a little bit of the raw off. Into this, I'm going to add half of a shredded head of cabbage, and I'm just going to give that a stir. I want the cabbage to release some of its juices, and to do that, if I add something that's got salt in it, it's going to help do that. So I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of chicken granules, chicken bouillon. This is the one I use. I get it at the Asian market. Love it. So that is going to be my salt. You know what? I want a tablespoon. When you're used to cooking by sight, it's sometimes hard to know exactly what the measurements are. So it's like, okay, I'll put this much in it, but it doesn't look like enough. We'll add a little more. So I'm going to give this a stir and put the lid on and just kind of let it steam and cook. Just like that. All right, the cabbage is cooked. Now for the finish. A little bit of sour cream. Not a lot, just a little. So maybe 2 tablespoons. Yeah. And we're going to stir that in. We'll top it with bacon, but because I don't want to stir the bacon in and I'm going to put it in a to-go container, I'm not going to put it on there just yet, but I will taste it for you because this stuff is so good. And I did not grow up eating cabbage. I didn't know I liked it till I started, till I moved to China, actually. All right, so let's give it a taste. This stuff is so good. Not exactly low fat, but it still has all of the good bits of the cabbage that are good for you in it. I really suggest you give it a try. Please like, share, follow. I'm Cooking with Mrs. Thompson. You guys have a great day. Thanks.